So we've just come to an AU Ford wagon. It's an all keys lost situation where the customer doesn't have any keys. So just put the battery charger on. Customer disconnect the battery for a bit. As you can tell, the lights on the charger is right down, and we're waiting for the 10-minute lockout anti-theft time to expire. And we're programmed in 2 keys, and we'll just wait until it finishes, and we're all done. So all keys lost situation on one of these Falcons. It's a flat call out fee, flat price is $260. So you get 2 standard keys for the $260. If you want the flip key with the remote inbuilt into it, basically we take off $20 off the price, and we'll give you 1 standard key and 1 flip key, and all up, doesn't matter what time, day or night it is, whether it's a Saturday. At the moment I'm working on a Saturday, it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it'd just be $300 basically. So 2 standard keys, all programmed up, ready to go, is $260, and with the flip and the remote, basically add another $40, which is $300. Alright, so if you've lost your keys and you're in Brisbane, you can call Attend Locksmiths on 0413 120 444, and the link in the description. Thanks for watching.